Said I was done, I'm back at it again. Back in the car and we spinning the bin. Slide on your man, I'ma shoot at your friend. Knock him down and then we do it again. Glock automatic, I change the pin. Pull up hijack and we change the VIN. Don't give a fuck which lane you in. Nuck if you buck, not the brand out your skin. Tell him get low like we doing limbo. Cause I'm stepping for show, you get hit in your toe. Never aiming at your motherfucking toe. That's where the tag going, not up to go. Asking my bro, is he puffing on Joe? He was telling me no, it's the nigga we smoke. I didn't know until I seen a ghost, so I called the Ghostbusters and told him a boat. Dick in the mouth, she keep gagging and sucking. Nut on the cheek, she was laughing and blushing. Grabbing my heat, I be clutching for nothing. Crash out the league, get the up in the public. Bitch, 2, 2, 3, told my nigga to tuck it. When I tell you bust it, you better start busting. I saw a witness, but I'm yelling, fuck it. I started a tuck it, it got me a bucket. Assaulted a car when the nigga was 7. When I turned 11, I told her to fail it. My nigga was snaking, I knew I could smell it. When I'm feeling threatened, I turned into manly. Free Melly. One pot, we made him drop. We spent this block, stand over tops. We never stop until I Glock go pop, pop, pop. Click, ayy, nigga, you know that I hit. I was up close when I spit in his shit. Bang the jit, then bang this bitch. 100 on it, no aim and shit. Burning, no cooling kit. My wax, no claiming it. Then see with the hammer, I'm too legit. I got a bitch and she really too thick. She be throwing her fist when she ain't getting dick. Really making me sick, but she do the one trick when she split on the dick. Got me coming so quick and she suck like a ticket. Her throat like a crick, got me hard as a brick, so I shot me a flick. Ayy, she my dog like Vic. Ayy, do what I say, sit, say, dick. These nigga police, they just be on the cover. Know how that be, it can be on brother. Got in that gutter, start singing like Usher, but we let it burn like you fuck with no rubber. We let it burn like you fuck with no Jimmy. My name hold it weight, but a nigga be skinny. I'm shouting like poo, but I'm not talking Winnie. Shoot at your committee, I'm talking no kizzy. Yo, no kizzy. Ayy, spin on the block till a nigga get dizzy. I make him take a seat like he was with Wendy. Catch him at breakfast or catch him at the club like DJ Envy. Give him shots of Henny. How many shots I don't know, gave him plenty. I let that boy tipsy, you shouldn't offend me. Fall in the party, I got this bitch moving. All in the crowd with my motherfucking jury. Reason I give me a trial in the jury. Know I'm a rapper, I'm also security. Lucy tucked up in my mirrors. Fucking the groupie, she screaming I period. Bitch was too wet cause I knocked on the period. She said it's the dick for me, period. Great to do it, need to bring me a trophy. Know that I'm gangster, but act like a yogi. Say you a killer, when nigga come show me. Started approaching, then he did a roadie. So much cheese on me, I'm getting loaded. Put the squeeze on him, I left him bloated. She better on her knee, I want sugar-coated. She was the side piece, we got a promotion. Glock, order, Dre, go. Boy, you better lay low. Pop out when the case over. Pop out when the case close. Wonder where his face go. Get that boy, hey, low. My shooter off the mess. He be tweaking if I say so, bitch. Nigga, hey, 6, nigga. Yo, bitch. Said I would do it, get it again. Keep out it.
Watch out with your shoulder, nigga. Shit get real out here, fool. I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, start letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show, whoa, me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, could give a fuck, the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me, and I'ma show you how that go. Like the money in my pockets blow, whoa. They having convos about me, these pussy niggas don't know. Tell me what they talking about. I ain't fucking listening. Let your thoughts run your mouth, but ain't touching dividends, nigga. I ain't from the south, but kick it with my Memphis twin, nigga. I can't take a loss, I'm always going for the win. I been geeked up in this booth, I got my blunt pack for the starter. Nigga, don't be acting new, they put some hoes all through your body. I'm like, all the hoes is cool, let them in if that shit water. See a nigga acting bothered, got my green light to red dot. If you spot me, ho, I'm sorry, I can't take you, ain't getting all that. Look like your nigga want smoke, but we gon' do this shit regardless. And I started from the bottom just like you, but I was harder. I came up a fucking soldier, nigga. Shout out to my father. Shout out he made sure I make it farther. My trust in God, blocks and dollars. I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, I letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show, whoa, me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, could give a fuck, the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me, and I'ma show you how that go. Like the money in my pockets blue, whoa. They having combos about me, these pussy niggas don't know. With my evil twin, all black hoodies, we hit the streets again. He don't like attention, he'll tweak and get the reaping shit. What your ass expect, we drove the whole way in a demon, bitch. He'll pop out, won't think twice and make you Greek to switch. Is you sure you wanna meet that bitch? If I see ill intentions, we'll make sure you get the bleeding clean. Always out there with the whole damn game being some rocket shit. Pull up to the scene, my best advice is to hide your bitch. I can see the lies all on your faces, cause your eyes are twitched. The black ski mask all on our fucking faces, be disguising shit. I'ma have my way with your baby, you wanna cry and shit. Rest my Glock against her fucking waist, I got some powder lit. She my bitch, not my apology. I might don't need no enemies. You rap with me, then rap with me. But I'ma keep it real, she lost respect when you said follow me. I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweak in this bitch, I letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show, whoa, me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, but give a fuck, the story wrote. You wanna tweak it up with me, and I'ma show you how that go. Like the money in my pocket.
Hey, 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 hey. Kill me on the block, baby, what? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Kill me on the block, baby, what? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Bad ass kid, we'll race with the street like brand new fit. Got a Glock with the G-knife, Fred white tee with a creep pair of Levi, real ass crip. I'll never ever be slime, fake ass bitch, she'll never ever be mine. Cut a hoe off, we don't love these speed line. No conversation, he ain't got a stick. If it's escalated, I'ma shoot mine quick. Big 4-5, push through a nigga shit. Focus on the money, we ain't beating by the bitch, nigga. I'm a block baby with a 6. I'm a cheat code, nigga, I'm a glitch. Throw me in the game and I'm bound to get rich. Nigga turn wholesale while them niggas switch. So many times a nigga could've been a lick. I'ma wet a nigga up, leave his whole body drenched. Kill me on the block, baby, what? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Kill me on the block, baby, what? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby.
Ayy, catch me on the block with some Grace 10 trait, and you know a nigga crip from the M to LA. Anywhere, any day, we gon' spray choppers coming on the lay. We gon' put the nigga in the grave. What you talking about? Walk up to him, then walk him down. Lift him up, ASI rifle, hit him and air them out. Still on the block with the gang, and this bitch got my flag on the left, and I'm letting it hang. Draco bouncing to the right and to the left. I like the glizzy better, cause I got aim. Shit, back him up, bullets mark him up. He talking too much, I left me a stain. We ain't doing water, shooters full throttle, bitch, you know we aim at your brain.
Kill me on the block, baby, what? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Kill me on the block, baby, what? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Walk in the party, I just bought a stick. Got a new Glock to go with my new fit. Niggas keep talking, I'm shooting this shit. Fuck a post up, my nigga coming right quick. My niggas gon' jam a J special quick. These niggas keep talking, we come with them glicks. Roll down the street. Got me a chop and a 223. Effing is coming, they blowing his feet. No blowing his head, cause I'm aiming for teeth. Nigga, what's up? I'm gon' aim for the chief. Ooh, big smoke, ayy. Big dope smoke and I got it in the back. Brother told me go give me a rat, so I went and got a pack and I made it right back. Had to make this shit double cause I got it like